Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the AcuRite digital indoor thermometer, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the AcuRite digital indoor thermometer, a AAA batteries, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to use. Insert the battery, place the AcuRite digital indoor thermometer on a flat surface or mount it on a wall and allow it to adjust to the room environment. The display will show the current indoor temperature. Use the buttons to switch units and adjust settings as needed. Keep the device in a suitable location for accurate and consistent temperature readings. Smart features? Provides reliable indoor temperature measurements with precision to help monitor room conditions. Helps maintain a comfortable environment by displaying real-time temperature information. Features a clear LCD screen with large numbers for quick and easy viewing of temperature readings. Allows users to check indoor conditions at a glance without difficulty. Allows users to switch between Fahrenheit degrees, Fahrenheit, and Celsius degrees, Celsius temperature units based on their preference. Provides flexible temperature monitoring for different measurement standards. Features a small and lightweight design that fits easily on desks, shelves, or other indoor spaces. Provides convenient placement options without taking up much room. Runs on batteries for convenient use without requiring a constant power connection. Allows flexible placement anywhere indoors for easy temperature monitoring. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your AcuRite digital indoor thermometer. See you in the next one.